Can you hear me?
I can. Now I can.
Oh, you couldn't hear me before.
Can you hear me?
I
No.
can hear you, yeah.
You could hear me, could you?
I can hear you now.
Yeah, I could hear you. I can hear you now.
Oh, because I've been talking for ages. I
made €50 back here.
No way.
Yeah,
Good skills.
Getting back up close to my my 50,000 sort of. I kind of want to get back to my 50,000 whilst learning at the same time.
Yeah. That's good skills. I'm up to 323.
Jesus, man. Like for the day.
Yeah, but I'm going really slowly because I don't want to go crazy.
Yeah, why would you want to go crazy when you're doing that? Like, that's fucking class.
Yeah, I know. Because if I can just do this really steadily, there's just no need to.
No need to be a hero.
No, there's no need to overdo it, is there?
None whatsoever. Yeah, I mean, it's just, yeah, it's I need to know your fucking whatchamacallit, but I think it's
well, I mean, it's terrible, really, the way I'm doing it. I think I just do these tiny little scalps. So I do 6 ticks. If I feel like it's going in one direction, I just take 6 ticks, which is $30. It's nothing.
Yeah.
But it's not, you know, like I said, it's high risk because you have to win 90% or 80% of the trades to be profitable. So it's high probability, high risk. No,
we're not streaming on YouTube here, are we? This is a different platform you're using.
No, this is YouTube. Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
But no one's in it.
Fine.
No, not a soul. No, there's no one in it.
So you get in and get out as you're kind of.
No, well, it depends
You're
what I'm doing.
constantly going in and constantly going out, almost.
Like, so what you have, if you're, you can't see the chart that can you see me doing with my mouse here on the trading view chart? Can you see me on the?
Yeah, so maybe I'll turn you on your side here. Might be better.
Yeah.
Get rid of this chat thing.
Switch to 1 minute. You see this?
Sorry, 1 second.
Oh, you're on your phone.
Yeah, I'm on the phone. I couldn't actually log in on the computer. Sure. I'd nearly go. Yeah, fine. Can I see you on YouTube? If I go on YouTube. Oh yeah, but I won't be able to chat to you probably.
No, well, you can on YouTube. I
can't see your screen on this now. I can see a portion of it, if you know what I mean.
Well, it's on YouTube. It's definitely there because I've got it open.
Yeah, fine.
But yeah, no. So it depends what's happening really. Sometimes I'll try a longer trade, but the best thing to do is to be brave and hold really. But I tend to get out too early. And
yeah, well, you're making money though. So
yeah, slowly.
I think when it comes to making money, that's what it's all about. Like,
yeah, maybe.
Well, it is. What else is it about? It's not about making money. Sorry, this is fun, and also if you're making money, like it's
yeah.
What more do you want? It's
but there is the trader's equation, which is if you don't stick to the basic premise that you're going for, say, 2 times your risk, then you're reducing your probability of being successful. Do you know what I mean? So if you
no, I don't know.
So let's say you're risking 1 chunk to make 2 chunks. So you're risking $50, say, by putting your stop loss. Let's say you're risking $20 by putting your stop loss 10 points back. and you want to make $40. So that's a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. Yeah. So your risk. So if the price drops by $20, you'll be stopped out, but you'll take profit if it goes up by $40.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean?
Sort of. I like to see.
Anyway, so
Anyway.
your risk reward ratio is 2-to-1. Now, if you stick to that and you hold, you basically do your trades and you hold, you've got a 60% probability of being successful, of getting your money. So 60% of the time you'll win. So overall, you'll win, you'll be making money. But if you exit the trades early, you're ruining that risk reward ratio. You're ruining the whole equation. Basically, you're messing with that. So all I'm saying is that there is a way of doing this, which is almost kind of robotic, in the sense that you can enter a trade and leave it to do its thing, and you'll either make a loss or you'll make a decent gain, you know, say 2 times reward. And over
do you know you're buying, either you're setting it to each time you're resetting that, either it's going to be 40 on the buy or 40 on the sell or 40 on the buy. Isn't that it? You're going to have to switch the parameters. So in other words, if you're selling, you're going to put that stopgap down to 40, and if it goes up, you'll have it to 20, and then it's the other way around. Is that right? Do you know what I'm trying to say?
You can create whatever size stop you want. So you can say this. It's about what they say is don't risk more than 5% of your buffer, and it's $2,500 your buffer, $2,500, isn't it? That's your drawdown.
Yeah.
So what's 10% of that? $250. So don't risk more than $125 initially. Now people risk much more than that because they don't want to go at a snail's pace and they want to crack on. But let's say you're only risking 5%, which is $125. You set your stop loss at whatever that is in points. So that would be 10 points, 11, no, sorry, 10 points is 200. So that would be 5 points is $100, say. You're putting that in, you know, when you created the bracket.
And I'm losing money here, and I should be doing exactly what you're talking about now. I should just introduce that strategy immediately. Why not, like?
Well, because you do need to
Learn loads of other shit, like, I know that.
You need to have a sensible entry point. I
mean,
mean,
yeah, I know, but I still should have a strategy like that. Even why not introduce a strategy? I know you need to have a sensible entry point. I agree with that.
You need most important thing is you need a strategy. You need to have some kind of system that you're going to be using and stick to it.
Yeah.
And at the moment, I really don't have a system other than, actually my system is I look for what the pattern, the recognizable patterns, and I have a good sense of whether it's going to go up or down at that point, and then I take small risks, and it adds up very quickly. You know, it adds up nicely. But on the flip side, you could just do one trade a day and make a couple of $1,000 on with only risking one contract. So you know, there's swings and roundabouts to the two methods.
Yeah.
Scalping and swing trading.
Well, I just lost $30 talking to you there.
Yeah.
And I got another. Well, it's on the up now here. I'm in the mini at the moment, so I'm not suffering as bad, if you know what I mean. I'm in the micro one.
Oh, yeah. I was going to say, stay in the micro.
Stay in the micro. Yeah, fine.
While you're learning, yeah, stay in there.
Yeah.
So you could experiment with a swing trade if you wanted to, and have a 50 tick stop loss and 100 tick take profit. So what that means is that you're risking 50 ticks to make 100 ticks. So if it
Okay.
goes,
So that means you're leaving it for longer periods of time then, aren't you really? You're just saying, look, this is my decision. I'm going to follow.
yeah. So you place the trade and then you just leave it. You walk away, and
And that's what you do.
either you lose 50 ticks or you make 100 ticks.
And how much is 100 ticks equal again?
Oh,
Is
100 tick. Well, one tick is $5. So 100 ticks would be 500.
yeah, that's big. It's a bit rich for me at this stage of my life.
Yeah, but you're in a micro. So 100 ticks would be 10% of that, which would be
Okay, yeah,
$50.
fine. Okay. So I really should set this one here. It's got me $25 at the moment, 26. I'll make it back that money that I lost.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You're going long.
I'm just letting it tip away here. It's now $31, 32.
Are you playing on the phone?
No, I'm on the computer here
Oh,
and talk to you on the phone.
oh, right.
Now it's gone down. I probably should have taken $30 there. Just it's back up.
It's where is it?
$3.
So it's trying to get up to 70, push through 70. It often likes to go to 80, but I mean, this is the high. We're talking about the highest it's ever been, ever.
Yeah, but it's still, if you look back 3 years, it's just
Yeah.
above 3 years ago.
Is it?
Yeah, so it's not like phenomenal either.
Oh, okay.
Well, I looked at just the 3 year trend of it, and that's what it said to me.
Oh, right. Okay. That's interesting. Yeah.
I thought it was
And of
interesting.
course, it can go where it wants. It could just shoot up 100 points. It could just shoot up 200 points.
Could it, yeah.
Yeah.
That's your ching moment, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you're in there.
If you're in it, yeah. I
Yeah,
still need to do
I
that.
should have sold at $30 there now. Or I should have exited at $30, like.
Yeah, what's it at now? Oh, it's coming down now.
Yeah.
But this might just be a pullback. It might go up again after this, but I don't know.
Well, I thought it was kind of breaking out the other way, and on the 5 minute, it does look like it's breaking out the other way, but maybe not.
See, on it looks like this is the first leg of potentially two legs up, but because the just underneath that was a flag, so this could just go up another chunk.
Yeah, in the 5 minutes when it went up there.
See, it's trying to go up now again, or it might. What it might do now is go down to the moving average, which is this wiggly line that I've got on my chart. You can see it.
Yeah.
The blue line on my chart. It might just go down to that and then go up again, but
There's my 30 quid gone, and then it's back. Fucking hell. It's addictive, isn't it?
yeah.
Jesus, I'd be over the moon to make 500 quid a day, like, or whatever you're making there. Fucking hell, you'd be over the moon, man.
Yeah, if I could do that every day, that'd be amazing.
It'd be 10 grand practically in the month, like.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, if you just did it on one account, 250 a day, what's that? That's...
So you've two accounts with these lads?
yeah, two of the 250Ks.
Right. And you've obviously got the 3 grand point in both of them.
I've got the what?
You hit that 3 grand threshold in both of them. 3,000 euros threshold in both of
them. No, that's what I'm going for. I've almost got the 3 grand in the one account, and I'm up to nearly 900 in the other one.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm still on the evals. I've had 4 funded accounts up until now.
Okay.
But I'm still trying to get those done. The hard part is consistency. That's the hardest part of this game.
Yeah.
It wants to go up. Definitely wants to go up. I'm in a trade now. I'll switch screens so I can share it. I know you can't see my screen anyway, can you?
I can see your screen. I can just see parts of it. Yeah, you've got that thing open that you don't
Oh,
like open at the moment. I can see.
I think I'm going to get out of this. I think I've got a feeling it's just going to keep going up.
Last minute was going down.
I'm going to get out of there. Oh no, it's funny. You get out and then it suddenly goes in your direction.
Yeah.
I'm going to go for another one.
What are you doing? You going to do a buy?
Going for a short one, for a little one.
A buy or a sell?
No, for a sell. Ah, got it that time. So I'm back up to $50 in there.
So what did you do? Just get in and get out there, like, really?
Yeah. So I didn't. So I've got a bracket set up for 6 ticks profit and a very wide stop. So I don't worry about the stop loss, because if it goes somewhere where I don't want it to, I'll just stop it myself manually. But I've got the take profit set to 6 ticks, and as soon as it gets to that marker, it takes the money.
Okay, so is that in the ATM thing where
Yeah.
you have set
So
mine to 40?
Yeah, so I've got one set up, and I've just called it 6 ticks, and so I use that for if I want to go for tiny, like if it's in a little flag going up and down, and I get a good sense of where, the range in which it's going to be going up and down, then I scalp it with very small trades with the ticks. And if I think I want to go for a bigger move, then I go to the wide bracket order.
Okay.
Like the one that we set up earlier for you.
So, and mine in the mini, if I, in my mini, what should I do for mine with similar sorts of figures? Take profit? I'm in mini, yeah.
So in your micro,
sorry.
so if you want to set up another one, you just go into the settings wheel, and then you click on add another name.
Yeah, and call whatever 10 ticks, or how many ticks should I make it though?
Well, in the micro, it's going to be so minuscule, the amount of money. It's probably cheaper.
So 100 ticks?
No, 100 ticks is a long distance for it to travel. So
10 ticks?
You could try 10 ticks.
6 ticks? Can I just do the same as yours?
So 10 ticks in the mini is $50. So it's more like $45 after commissions. So that would be $5 in the micro. So you'd probably get maybe $3.50 or $4 profit with 10 ticks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe like 20 then, like, really.
Yeah, but the thing is with this method is you want a higher probability of getting what you're asking for, and the fewer ticks, the easier it is to do. That's why I'm in the mini, because if I was in the micro, it wouldn't be such an easy thing to do, because you need the market to be quite volatile. You need the price to be moving quite a lot with this method in order to in order to get in and get out quickly.
Yeah.
I would stick with wider stops. No, hang on, that's not. I wouldn't stick with that. What would I do? I would definitely
do the strategy of just taking $3. If it got to $3, I'd exit.
Yeah. So what's $3? That's about 10 10 ticks, I suppose, or no, 8 ticks maybe. Try 8 ticks and see if you get a profit from it.
Okay.
Yeah, try 8 ticks. It's going to go up now. Look, maybe not.
And stop loss of whatever.
And stop loss of whatever, like 40 ticks, 20 ticks. Because if it goes somewhere you don't want it to go, you can just cancel the order. That's what I do. I just try and get out. I just get out manually.
Okay.
You're used to this, aren't you? I've joined. How do I let you in? You're used to this live streaming thing, but it must feel weird when you've got like 100 people watching or something.
Well, you mean when I do?
Are you used to it now? Yeah, when you do your
No, I
meet.
never really get used to it. You know, when you log in and you click admit all into the Zoom, but it's not on YouTube though. I don't really do live on YouTube that often now.
Yeah.
But I do obviously do the Zoom meetings, and I have no idea what I'm going to say, and I just jump on in.
It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, it is pretty weird. Yeah.
Are you still in touch with Robin?
I haven't spoke to him in a little while. There was half talk I'd go over to see him, but he was even offered to pay me to come over. You know, or pay my flights, like not pay me to come over. That sounds a bit suspicious. To gobble on his, yeah. I mean, I got a free flight, like, so why wouldn't you? You know what I mean? You know, this is great. This is broadcasting now. Yeah,
that's good.
I mean, you make way more money than trading, like.
Yeah.
You know, I just work, and someday I'll be off the street, and you know.
Yeah. Where does he live again? Was it Norway or Finland?
Norway, right up the crack of Norway, I hope.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Is it going up? No, new highs. New highs. Look at that.
Isn't it new highs? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Creeping up. What are you doing this evening?
Oh, I don't know. I'm just watching it go down here now. It's in the minute clock, so I'm worried about that now. But I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold calmly. I don't know.
Are you still
What?
long? Are you?
What does long mean?
It means going up, buying. Long means you're on the roller coaster up the with the bulls.
Yeah, I'm going up. All right. Yeah.
Yeah. Short means you're with the bears. You're selling.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I sort of feel like I should be selling now, but that's because I'm watching this.
Yeah, but if you see it's in a channel, it's in a range. It goes down to a certain level, and then if you draw a line down the channel, it's roughly kind of going up and down within that range. So until it breaks that structure, the chances are it'll go up again.
God, it's funny though when the amount of times you click it and it goes the opposite way straight away. What does that fucking tell you? Like,
Yeah,
do you ever
yeah.
notice that? Like, what the fuck does that tell you?
Yeah.
Just stop pricking.
Oh,
That's what that tells you.
I've done loads of that. It's driven me
You
around
see,
the bend.
you learn as you start to go. You get the impatience out of your system, and you.
Yeah. I mean, to be honest with you, the fewer trades you take, the more likely you are to be profitable.
Yeah.
So if you take, say, 3 to 10 trades a day, and there are lots of people who only take one trade, but they swing trade. So they'll look for everything to come together at the right time, and then they'll trade with a half decent size, and that'll be that for the day.
Yeah. Okay.
Because what I was doing for the first up until recently, it's just constant. you're constantly wanting to get in there and make the most out of it.
Yeah, you're
And
kind of wanting to be involved, like
yeah, and that's a
it's like
recipe for
playing. It's like
disaster.
playing every hand of poker. It's silly, like.
Yeah, you want to be in, you just want to be in there, and you don't want to miss out, and you want to.
Yeah,
And then
FOMO. That was always but like that's.
oh, look at it, it's going up.
Yeah, I got back in there because I lost around fucking $20 there.
What are you at now?
4963. I'd like to
Oh,
make it
that's all
back.
right.
Yeah, what?
It's nice and slow in the micro. That's the good thing.
Yeah.
This is just creeping up. This could go to 18,000 today.
That'd be one of those resistance points, as you would talk about, is it?
Yeah, they call them psychological levels. So 18,000, 17,000, 1750. So the 50s and the 00s and the 10s. Gesundheit. Are you still off the booze?
No.
No.
Are you off booze?
No.
I do like my Friday night beers, like these days, just because I'm working so much.
Yeah, and you're doing the workout, so
Yeah, actually, I need to go to the gym today. I just didn't sleep well last night.
yeah.
Oh, fuck. Oh, God, it's fascinating, man.
I'm quite good at doing chicken wings now, but I can't get them. I need to look up a recipe which gets them all sticky and gooey, like you know how we had them in the pub.
You use Frank's hot sauce, do you?
I do, yeah.
And you've got the air fryer.
I've got the air fryer.
Ooh, nice little jump here.
Yeah,
Get
look at
up,
that.
get up, get up.
Go on, don't forget to take your profit.
Oh,
you got it?
yeah, I got 18 quid. Should I go back in?
Nice. I have no idea what it's going to do at this stage. You know, it could creep up to 18,000, or it could just turn around and go down in a couple of minutes.
That's.
But you see, if you zoom out a bit, Frank, and you look at what it's doing, even in the 1 minute, you can stay on the 1 minute chart.
Yeah.
It goes down, it touches. Oh fuck! You don't have VWAP. You need VWAP because it keeps coming back to VWAP like an elastic. It's like a magnet for price.
Okay.
So often you just know it's coming back to VWAP, and you can make a good chunk of money.
And VWAP is what? Is that another? Is that an add-on?
It's another moving average. It's volume weighted average price, something like that.
Where do you see that?
Yeah, let me just find out. I was trying.
It's not in the current chart settings. You need to get an upgrade or something, do you?
No, you don't need an upgrade. It should be there, but I don't know how to find it. I'm just going to look.
What's the name of it again?
VWAP. It's VWAP. VWAP. Tradeovate. How to get.
I think it's heading towards 18,000. I'm going to get back in here for a second. What do you think?
Well, it probably will eventually, but you might have to just wait for the rest of the day, which you could do. But have you set a stop loss? You can. Oh, this other thing I haven't shown you is you can set a stop. Have you got your stop loss brackets?
No.
So if you use wide, then obviously you can set your profit take at a certain level, like say 18,000. Then you can walk away. Oh, it's going.
I know. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I think it's going to go.
Oh,
and then it went fucking down. Okay, come on. Let's go back up again. No, come on, baby. Come on, baby.
V Tradeovate chart adding VWAP. Okay, here we go. In the search of that, press.
Come on, baby. I should be taking my profit here, should I?
If it's just on a pullback, it'll probably just continue going up to 18,000. But then you do need to take your profit. Decide when you're going to take your profit.
Should have taken the profit there at 10 quid, really, shouldn't I?
What's it at now?
It's turned back down again there.
You see, it's all no, but look at it. It's all in that tight channel, isn't it? Still, it's all in a really tight channel.
Yeah, so that'll be a big candlestick almost, wouldn't it?
It might be breaking out of that now. Oh, not. Yeah, it looks like it is. I think it might break out of it.
What does that mean, breaking out? You mean go down the other way?
I mean, it's changing structure. You see how it's not in that range anymore. It's not in that channel anymore. It's slightly outside of it to the right.
Yeah.
So
You're
it
in the
looks
minute
like,
clock, are you?
huh?
You're looking at it by minute.
Yeah, minute. So it's slightly breaking through that structure now. So it might drop a little bit and then go back up again, but it's oh no, look, it's still in there. It might still push up. Have you left the trade?
No.
If it doesn't go up to 18,000 today, I'll be very surprised. Be very surprised. Because we're so close, 20 points away. So you could just leave it and walk away, but I don't want to put that idea in your head.
But so I need to set it though. I need to have it. That ATM is off at the moment, as I lose $20 here now.
So you could manually set your stop loss by on the ATM. Make sure it's off. Choose off.
Yeah.
And then click on the chart where you want to take profit. So if you go to say 18,000 exactly,
yeah,
then you left click the mouse.
Sorry, it's not so straightforward. Oh wait, no, there's 18,000. Yeah.
And left click the mouse.
Oh, sorry, it's just not so easy here now, big dog. Yeah.
And then choose sell limit.
Yeah, I'm not doing that, but maybe.
Why?
It's not working for me, that.
What, sell
It's kind
limit?
of flicking back up. Just hold on now. Or
You've got a dodgy mouse, haven't you?
No, do you know what? It's I need to do that thing that it doesn't flick back into place thing. Do you remember that? Sell limit at 18,000?
Yeah.
And click on sell limit.
Yeah.
Right.
So what will happen is that cancels out your buy, because you've got buy for one contract going up, and then what you've done is you've told it that when it gets to a certain point you'll sell that one.
Well, I hope I did that. I'm not sure I did that, but yeah. Don't have.
I could look at your. Well,
we'd have to go on Zoom.
Let's see what it's doing, what shape it's in now. Hang on. Yeah, I mean, I'd be surprised if it doesn't go up.
It's looking like it's going down to me now. But then, what the fuck do I know?
It's still in that channel, though.
Okay.
If you go all the way down to the bottom, it's still in that kind of fairly narrow channel of going up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down.
Yeah, okay.
And even still, even if it dropped down to the lowest point where it's just come from, it would probably end up going back up at the end of the day, just rocketing up to 18,000. But don't let me convince you of that, because I don't have a clue what I'm talking about. Oh, look at it.
Yeah, it was coming back there, wasn't it?
There she goes. You back up to $10 now?
Yeah, I am sort of, yeah. 5, now back down to 3, but
It's already up to 88. The last 10-point push. It's tempting to have a go.
Should probably go and do some work, shouldn't I? But I'm caught here in this.
I need to make another $200. That's 30. Up to 86.
Go on.
Go on, my son. Has to do it. You'd think there'd be loads of buyers at this point trying to push it up.
Just for the pure crack of it, is it?
To get it to 18,000, yeah.
Get it to break through the psych point, as you call it.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that about? Okay. Let's go. My sack point is getting back to 50,000. It's like chasing the fucking, what you call it. You know what I mean? Like I should be just getting out here, taking $3, get in, get out, take $3, get in, get out, shouldn't
I? It's a lot more relaxing doing slower trades, though.
Yeah.
I mean, it's stressful
But
doing.
I took a few bob there anyway, just took a fiver there. But you sort of feel like you're more in tune with it when you're.
Come on. Oh, you bastard. Got it.
A little jump there.
Yeah. That's what it's nice to catch the little jumps.
Yeah, I just took a tenner there.
Here we go. 95, 96. Woo! $95, 96, 94. Oh, come on.
Yeah, I got a tenner there, and I went back in again. It's,
Come on, you can do it. Final push. Final push.
Yeah. What? Imagine if your whole life, like you were watching, you'd millions on this, something like
Stressful.
this,
Yeah.
and then you've got your whole life starts falling apart.
Oh, bollocks. What is it doing now?
Hold. Don't know. It's making one last jump before it goes for it. Or it's not.
Maybe it'll do it at the end of the day.
Might do it, yeah.
Oh, no, it's deciding to drop.
She's just stabilizing before she gets ready to make the big jump now. You're looking in the minute one. I think it's going to be fine.
A lot of red candles.
A lot of red there, big dog, yeah.
Come on.
I think it's going to break into that now, isn't it? It's like, it's very close. It's going to break over 18,000 now. I have fucking notion what I'm talking about. Just for the record. I mean, it's definitely going to go and break 18,000 now in the next little while. It's just...
Yeah.
I mean, the 5-minute chart is that it's just fucking...
I mean, I don't know if they would just fuck with you for the, you know, for the heck of it. I mean, I don't know who's doing this. You know, it's weird. But you'd think that everyone wants it to just go to 18,000 now. But of course they don't, because they're trying to make money. That's all it is.
Yeah.
But it's a... Yeah, whatever. It's strange. Come on. A little push up. Come on. Come on. Painful. Little push. You know you want to go. There we go. Go on. You see how it's gone to a point there? It's like a flag.
Yeah.
It's just like a point of decision. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. Well, I mean, that's all it ever does, but it sometimes gives you an indication that it will do one thing or another at that point.
Well, I would say it... the predominant fucking thing here is that it's either going to go up or go down. Frank, you're brilliant at this.
Yeah. You're a fast learner.
Yeah, it's either going to go. It's going to go down.
Yeah. Come on, please.
Well, I think if you say please, it's going to make a big difference. It's going to make a big difference.
Oh, I just feel like it's going to come down now.
Have you any data behind that feeling?
No, and it's weird because it's so close, but then it doesn't kind of pay attention to any rules, any expectation. Are you still in it?
Well, I decided to go start selling. I was
You
listening to your
you're
feelings. I was just listening to your feelings there, and I thought, you know what? I like his feelings. So
so you're selling now, are you?
I took a little 350 there and from a sell. Yeah, I'm going to
Ah,
take another one now again. I think if I can get another little cute. I just took 350 there. You see, people just might go, look, it's fucking close enough. I'm getting out. You know,
yeah.
I'm not going to be because it could just go after 18 anyway. But now it's on the way back, isn't it? So.
Yeah, I just feel like it's going to drop.
This would be the third minute now it's gone red. Yeah, that's the first time it's gone red. In the last 5 minute periods, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 going green in 5 minute periods.
Mm. And
And
that's
that last 5 minutes is the first time it went down. So maybe it's going down to go back up again.
yeah, it'll definitely get there today. So that could be a lower high there. Oh yeah, it's dropping now. Bastard.
Took a little $4 there. Hmm.
Yeah, bugger. $200.
What do you mean?
I've just lost $250 like that.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
Did
yeah.
you sold? Did you then, or you exited?
No, it stopped me out. I mean, I had my stop loss set there, so it
Oh
just went
yeah.
through it. But that's how quick it can go in the mini.
Yeah, okay. Geez, I wouldn't be ready for the big mini yet.
Yeah, that's why trading the price action like the candles is so much more reliable than trading what you think is going to happen. Like, like guessing that it'll get to a certain price or go to a certain level. If you just
Yeah.
trade the shape of the candles and what they tend to do, it seems to be a more consistent way of making money. But it could just go back up now because it's not really a major reversal. It's just fizzling over a little bit. Doesn't seem too major.
Mm.
What level is that? It might just go back up now. Is it bouncing?
Fuck's sake, Frank, could you calm down now? Excited there. You do need to actually be in the fucking zone here with this too. I'm realizing, you sort of need to be in the. But it is a sort of an interesting kind of moment because of the fact that there's that 18,000 sort of thing looming, isn't there? I think that
Yeah.
distorts the normal trends. Is that fair to say?
Yeah. Yeah. You've always got that in the back of your mind.
She's on the way back now a little bit, is she?
Oh, that is going up. Yeah. Look. So if I'd have just had my stop loss a tiny bit lower, it would have reversed back up again.
Yeah.
Fuck off. It's just like it's playing a game now. And now there's this head and shoulders pattern appearing.
Did you see the little video I did for about the guy running and taking your attention and all that shit?
No.
Um,
Which one was
no,
on Instagram?
Yeah.
Back up to $46. Guy taking your attention. Oh yeah, I did. Yeah. I think I liked it. Yeah.
Yeah, it was just the fucking the settings on it were terrible. It's about to hit the 18,000 now, Boris.
Done. It's got there.
Yeah, I'm going to take that for
Unbelievable.
Yeah, got that. I
So
thought I'd
so
fucking
that's the
sold there.
benefit.
Sorry, I thought I'd sold and I got fucking.
That's the benefit of having a wide stop loss, you see. It's because it can come down, it can completely look like it's doing the opposite, and then it just turns around and goes back again. Okay, now you definitely can't just keep going up after all that. It starts getting livelier again. It slows down at this time of day because they go for, I know it's only 10 a.m. over there, but it gets slower around 4:30. It really gets very slow, and then it picks up again around sort of 7:30 in the evening.
Yeah, 1 second. I just want to check something.
So let's see, what's it done? Gone up 130 points. 182 leg. Yay, got my money back. Oh, sorry, Otto. Didn't see you there. Hello, boy. Mundo. Holy sh! Oh, that was the other day. Okay. I feel like doing a long swing trade to get back at least halfway to VWAP. Look, it's about to drop anyway. Is it though? Is it though? Maybe I'll do it on the micro. Yeah. Do it on the micro. MNQ in the house. Yes, please. MNQ. 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 Your current market data subscription for this contract is whatever. MNQ. Oh, that's a day chart. 1 minute. Three. Sell. Oh, hang on. Why is that so? Bollocks. I didn't mean to do that. What is going on with this shit? Show orders. Show order lines. Thank you.